Molly free. Molly free. Good girl. No white, stay there. Molly free. Molly free. Free. Molly free. Molly free. Good girl. Molly free. Molly free. Good girl. Boundary. Molly free. Boundary. Molly free. Good girl. Yeah, the good girl. Good girl. Boundary. Molly free. Good girl. Boundary. Free. Molly. Good girl. Molly. Yeah. Good girl. Molly, touch. Yes, good girl. Oops, I threw it at you. Sorry. Touch. Yes. Good girl. Touch. Good girl. Touch. Good girl. Touch. Yes. Molly free. Good girl. Molly free. Touch. Yes, good girl. Molly wait. Free. No idea where it went. Wait. Free. Wait. Free. Wait. Free. Molly, wait. Free. Wait. Free. Okay. Here. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Oh, it's all crummy. Drop it. Good girl.
There isn't much time.
Drop it.
No, there isn't. In fact, there's no time at all. Why are you here? How can you possibly bring me lower? What more can you take away from me?
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. The first one is each foot. So picking up her foot, feeding her, putting a little bit of pressure in between each of her toes while letting her eat. And then the other foot. You want to be feeding the entire time. And then let go before you stop feeding. Same with the back feet. Feed, back foot. Put a little pressure in between each toe. Where's that other one? Good girl. And be done before she's finished eating. And you have her tail. Okay. Or you want to take her tail and you want to lift it up as if she's going to get her temperature taken while feeding. Let go. You can also even put a little bit of pressure as if it's being stepped on while she's still eating. She finishes eating after that. Then we're going to do each ear, reaching into her ear, flipping her ear backwards. You can even stick a finger in there, feel around. She slowed down on her eating on that one. She's probably a little bit more uncomfortable. And now she's relaxed, so we're gonna go do the other one. Flip it backwards, stick your finger in there. Good girl. Then go over each eye. So if you're gonna wipe the eye boogies out. And then the last one would be her teeth. So checking her teeth from the side and then feeding her. And then checking her teeth from the side and then feeding her. Now handling her other than just massaging or checking her out physically like that, we do the collar grab, which is reaching for her collar and handing her a treat. Reaching for her collar and handing her a treat. So each time her collar gets grabbed, she gets paid for it. Eventually she's gonna love having her collar grabbed. Good girl. You can do it from any angle, even over top of the dog's head. You're not moving her anywhere, you're just reaching for the collar and feeding her because it's happening. And then the last one is a muzzle grab. This is for instance, giving her a pill or checking to see what's in her mouth, opening her mouth, throwing food in, letting her go. As her tail's wagging. Open, oh, you found a piece. Open her mouth, plop food in, let her go. This is gonna be really easy to open her mouth to feed her medicine in the future, or to make sure she doesn't have anything dangerous in her mouth. Good girl. Awesome.
Good girl, Molly. Good girl. Good girl.
Molly, free. Good girl. Molly, free. Ah, good girl. Yeah, Molly, go to bed. Good girl. Molly, free. Molly, crate. Good girl. Molly, free. Molly, crate. Good job. Okay, you can close it. Softly. You can now open it. Say, Molly, free. Molly, free. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Molly, Molly. There we go. Here, Molly. Molly, touch. Molly. Molly, free. Good girl. Molly, free. Molly, free. Good girl. Yay! Molly, you want to slide? Yeah? Oh, wait for me. Good girl.